Rose plant is one of the most famous flowering plant and many of us have smelled and seen it for sure. It is also known as the king of flowers. There are mainly two varieties of rose plant. First is the Indian rose, which is a bit small but has a beautiful smell, and the second is English rose, which is big in size but doesn't have any smell. Rose helps us in many ways, example rose water, milkshake, gulkan, decoration, incense sticks, perfumes and many more things. The English rose will bloom all the year except summers, whereas the Indian rose will bloom all around the year. The tips and tricks in this video will be applicable on both the varieties. So watch this video till the end to know more about it. So let's get started. Always keep pruning your rose plant to keep it bushy and get more flowers. Also try to remove the leaves which are in contact with soil, as rose plant has a tendency to develop fungus on the leaves of the plant if it is in contact with soil. Observe the plant's leaves and you will come to know that how healthy or unhealthy your plant is. The signs of the leaves will also help you to understand if the plant is overwatered or underwatered. During summers, water the plant frequently. As the top 1 inch of the soil dries out, water the plant. You can water it every day during summers depending on the temperature. Try to water the plant in morning, because when you water the plant in morning, it can withstand the hot rays of the afternoon sun and the plant can use the water to protect it from afternoon heat. If you water a plant in evening, the roots of the plant will be soaked in water the whole night, and this might get fungal infection on your rose plant. Although fungal infection is very common in rose plant, or your plant might die due to shock. Never water a plant from a height. It will expose and harm the roots of the plant. Water the plant from as close to the soil as you can. Also, do not cover the whole pot with soil. Leave some space at the top. This will help. If you water a plant too much, the water will not come out from the pot and also will be helpful for fertilizing your plant. Also add some coco peat perlite compost in the soil of the plant. Underwatering is better than overwatering. During summers, keep your rose plant in filtered or a place where the sun is not so intense. For the rest of the season, you can keep your plant in direct sunlight. If your plant is kept in a very dark corner, your plant will not bloom then. Rose plant blooms best from October to the beginning of summer. Keep an eye on your rose plant, as it is more common to get attacked by pests. Remove the dried leaves settled on the soil and also remove the infected leaves and branches of the plant. If your plant is once infected, you can spray neem oil on your plant. And if even though your plant is completely healthy, spray neem oil on the plant once a month to avoid infection. Keep hoeing your plant's soil regularly to maintain aeration for the roots. Take care that you don't harm the roots, as it is delicate fibrous roots. If you are watching my videos but haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, as your support encourages me to make more such informative videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.